Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to study for finals step by step. First, create a detailed study schedule. This helps you manage your time effectively and ensures you cover all necessary material. Break down large topics into smaller, manageable sections to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Remember to allocate specific times for active recall and practice tests. These are crucial for solidifying your understanding and identifying areas needing more attention. A well-structured plan is your first step to success. Next, focus on effective study techniques. Active recall is incredibly powerful. Instead of just rereading notes, quiz yourself often. Try to explain concepts aloud as if you're teaching someone else. This really highlights what you know and what you don't. Spaced repetition, reviewing material at increasing intervals, helps move information into your long-term memory. These methods are far more effective than passive studying and will boost your comprehension significantly. While studying hard is important, maintaining your well-being is equally crucial. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. A well-rested mind performs much better. Take short, regular breaks every hour or so to prevent burnout and keep your focus sharp. Staying hydrated and eating nutritious meals will provide sustained energy throughout your study sessions. Remember, a healthy body supports a healthy mind, leading to better retention and performance. For your final preparations, thoroughly review past exams and practice questions to familiarize yourself with the format and common topics. Make sure to prepare all necessary materials, like pens, calculators, and any permitted notes, the night before your exam to avoid last-minute stress. And speaking of smart solutions, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Good luck with your finals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.